welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and let's kick this off with the first new feature, and that's Wi-Fi 6E. The 2022 iPad Pros are the first devices from Apple to support this new version of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 6E builds on its predecessors by offering a new band, so instead of just 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, there's also a 6 GHz network available, which should increase performance in crowded areas like apartment buildings and cities, but overall can give you faster download speeds as well. The next top new feature is Apple Pencil hover support. So hover support is a new feature for the same Apple Pencil that's been available for a number of years. It can now detect Apple Pencil when it's 12 millimeters away from your iPad screen, allowing the screen to react to that. It could be making icons bigger, highlighting buttons as you go near them, or a scribble field expanding for the Apple Pencil so that you can write into it. If you're an artist or a note taker, you can see the preview of what your Apple Pencil will do and where it's going to touch before it ever makes contact with that display. Then we have Apple's M2 chip. The M2 is the successor to the M1 found in the prior generation iPad Pros. Apple says it has a 15% faster CPU, a 40% faster neural engine, and a 35% faster GPU. Not only that, but it has an improved ISP and a media engine that can transcode ProRes video 3 times faster than before. Next on the list is Bluetooth 5.3. Apple's been dawdling in adopting the latest version of Bluetooth, sticking with Bluetooth 5 for a number of years. Bluetooth 5.3 isn't a massive improvement in terms of the Bluetooth spec, but it does have some improvements, including with audio. Even the new version of AirPods can work with Bluetooth 5.3. There is the potential that Bluetooth 5.3 can offer lossless audio, but Apple has not promised this for the new AirPods Pro. Turning to the cameras. Camera performance on the new iPad Pros should be better than previous generations. It does have the new image signal processor, or ISP, found in the M2 chip, which can yield better low light performance. But the big news for the cameras is that Apple has now unlocked ProRes video capture for the first time on iPad. This is basically RAW, but instead of for photos, for videos, and can lead to much larger files, but a lot more detail being captured. The only rub, you have to download a third-party application to be able to use it. Let's talk about 5G. Apple has offered 5G on iPads for a bit now, but the new, latest generation iPad Pros have support for more bands than ever before. The millimeter wave bands now increases to 3 different bands, and for standard 5G, Apple has more than ever before, allowing faster downloads and improved performance for 5G connectivity. Let's look at new wallpapers. I know some of you scoff at this as a new feature of the new tablets, but they still look awesome, and some people get very excited about the new exclusive wallpapers that arrive with new Apple devices, and the new iPad Pros are no different. Some of Apple's basic cables had a tendency to break down, especially around the collars. They would fray, but with this new nylon braided on the outside, it should definitely hold up much better. So that covers it. Those are the top new features of the 2022 iPad Pros. I have discount links down below in the description if you'd like to pick one up. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments.